Frustrated with weak TV signals and constant pixelation? Today, we're diving into the 5 best TV antenna boosters that can supercharge your reception and give you crystal clear channels without the cable bill. I'll walk you through what makes each booster shine, where they might fall short, and how to pick the perfect one for your setup. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. GE Indoor TV Antenna Amplifier. The GE Indoor TV Antenna Amplifier elevates picture clarity with noticeable signal strength on both VHF and UHF frequencies, ideal for HD broadcast access. Its simple inline design and included AC power adapter makes setup quick and user-friendly. The low noise feature helps minimize interference in fringe or crowded urban areas. Plus, the compact form blends seamlessly behind your TV or near your antenna. On the downside, it may not dramatically improve reception in areas with extremely weak signals or significant obstruction. Overall, for households with moderate signal issues, it's an affordable and effective way to boost antenna performance. No rewiring required. Number 2. My second best pick, Channel Master Ultra Mini 2-2 Port TV Antenna. The Channel Master Ultra Mini 2 Port Amplifier is a compact and durable signal booster that brings new life to weak or split TV signals. Its dual output design, with weather-resistant metal housing, provides solid 11.5 dB gain per port, giving both TVs clearer reception with reduced pixelation and, in some cases, more channels. Installation is simple and space-saving, perfect for both indoor and outdoor setups. However, if your signal is already strong, amplification may lead to overload or create distortion. Overall, it's a smart upgrade for households needing to split antenna feeds without sacrificing quality. Number 3. My third best pick, OIN 2025 TV Antenna. The 2025 long-range TV antenna impresses with its extraordinary 1,200-plus mile claimed range and includes a generous 33-foot cable, ideal for flexible placement anywhere in your living space. The built-in signal booster enhances reception, often resulting in clearer HD and 4K channels with fewer dropouts. It's compatible with both smart TVs and older models, making it very versatile. However, the large antenna panel design can be cumbersome in tight spaces, and the actual long-range performance may vary depending on local terrain and signal interference. Overall, it's a strong choice for those seeking maximum coverage and flexibility. Just ensure you have room to mount it effectively. Number 4. My fourth best pick, the CIMPLE CO Antenna Amplifier Kit. The CIMPLE CO Antenna Amplifier Kit delivers strong signal enhancement with its adjustable gain up to 24 dB, covering VHF, UHF, and FM frequencies, perfect for reducing dropouts and boosting reception on older or split antenna setups. The inclusion of a quality RG6 coaxial cable adds convenience for a smoother setup. Its compact design also fits neatly into most media setups without clutter. On the downside, cranking the gain too high may introduce noise or distortion in areas already receiving decent signal strength. Overall, it's a solid, budget-friendly option to maximize antenna performance, but fine-tuning may be necessary to avoid signal oversaturation. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Frungold 2025 TV Antenna Indoor Antenna. The 2025 Indoor TV Antenna delivers impressive reception, pulling in clear HD and 4K channels even in fringe areas, with the signal amplifier helping reduce pixelation and dropouts. Its sleek, flat panel design is easy to mount on walls or windows and blends unobtrusively into most rooms. Setup is a breeze, thanks to a long integrated cable and simple plug-and-play operation. On the downside, the adhesive mounts may lose stickiness over time, especially in humid conditions, and performance varies depending on building materials and interference. Overall, it's a budget-friendly, practical upgrade for cord cutters seeking reliable local TV without the clutter. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite TV antenna booster? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.